Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start our unit number 2 of computer, parts of a computer. After learning this chapter, you will be able to identify the parts of computer, and you also know about the functions of computer, that how computer helps us. So let's start the reading. Our body is like a machine. Different parts do different work. We use hands to pick up things. You can see in this picture a boy is using his hand to pick up the book. Legs to walk and run. You can see that a boy is walking with the help of his legs. Eyes to see things. In this picture you can see that a boy is using his eyes to see on the book. Brain to think. This is brain, and we use our brain to think about different things. Similarly, a computer also has different parts. Different parts do different work. There are 4 main parts of a computer, namely monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. So here is a computer. You can see that this is the monitor. It looks like a television screen. This is the keyboard, which helps us to type number. This is the CPU. CPU is also the brain of computer. And mouse helps to point things on the monitor screen. Moving towards page number 14, here is the monitor. A monitor looks like a TV. You can see pictures, alphabet, numbers on a monitor screen. Here's a picture of CPU. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU is the short form of Central Processing Unit. CPU is the brain of a computer. A computer thinks with its CPU. Keyboard. You can see a keyboard. Keyboard has small buttons on it. These are called keys. It has alphabet keys, number keys, and special keys. With keys you can type alphabet and numbers. You can see that these are the alphabet keys and these are the number keys. These are also the number keys, and here are some special keys that perform different functions. There is a keyboard given below. Color the keys which have letters of your name with the red color. Also write your name on the monitor. This is a monitor. You will write your name here, and this is a keyboard, and you will color the alphabet keys of your name just like that. If your name is Ali, you will color it A, L, and I with red color. Mouse. This is a mouse. This is a computer mouse. It has a long wire attached to it. You can see that this is a long wire attached to it. It helps to point things on a computer monitor. These are the 2 buttons of a mouse, and in the center, in the black color, this is a scrolling wheel that helps us to scroll over the computer screen. Must know. Every part of the computer is important and cannot be replaced by some other parts. Here are 2 computer etiquettes. You can see in this picture. When you are asked to go to the computer lab, always move in the queue. You can see the students in the queue. Take off your shoes when you enter the computer lab. You can see here the students are taking off their shoes before entering. Now you know a computer has 4 main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. You will learn the name of these parts. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows alphabet, number, and pictures. CPU is the brain of computer. Keyboard helps you to type. Mouse helps you to point things on the computer screen. Here are 2 key terms for you: monitor and CPU. This is a monitor and this is a CPU. You will learn these key terms. Monitor. Monitor looks like a TV screen. CPU, central processing unit, is the brain of a computer. In this page, some lines are highlighted for you, just like that: hands, legs, eyes, brains, monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. You will learn these names and these terms. You will also learn the name of the keys, just like that: alphabet keys, number keys, and special keys. And you will also learn these two key terms.
Computer parts: CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers, printer, scanner, pen drive, web camera, UPS, CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers, printer, scanner, pen drive, web camera, UPS,